Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by preparing the hardware and preserving your session. Make sure the Ps4 is on the home screen and the replacement dual shock 4 is charged. A micro USB cable makes the first connection fast and reliable. Once done, close any running apps to avoid accidental signouts and know which PSN local user you'll assign to that controller. These steps prevent lost progress and let you focus on the pairing motions rather than troubleshooting power or account confusion. Now pair and assign the controller. Plug it into the Ps4 via micro USB and press the PS button. The system will detect and prompt you to assign a user. Choose your local profile. If you prefer wireless, turn the controller on, then go to Settings, Devices, Bluetooth Devices to complete pairing. The light bar indicates connection status. Make sure to confirm the controller appears under Bluetooth devices so inputs register correctly, and rename it if you want quick identification later. Complete the switch by signing into the assigned user and testing buttons in a quick menu. Confirm analog sticks, triggers, and vibration respond. If you need the new controller to be primary, sign in and the Ps4 will treat that device as active. Turn off old controllers from power options to avoid conflicts. If things go wrong, reset the dual shock 4 using the rear pinhole, reconnect via USB, and check for Ps4 system updates. This sequence resolves most connection and compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.